What's up guys, today we speak about taillights. You know this taillights is like the regular Panther taillights for Crown-Vic, Grand-Marquis, Marauders, so all the lineup, almost except the town car, are using these lights. That's my 2003 Mercury Marauder. I own two of them. I had 9 Grand-Marquis also, so I'm a kind of Panther guy, and I just bought a light that was back ordered for so many weeks or months or years, I don't know. I wanted them so much, but I couldn't buy it. So today we'll try them out. I just got my Mercury back from, it was in storage because Canadian winters are very hard on our cars. So it was in storage for almost 6 months. And now the sun is going out, so this is a good time for testing them. I'll show it to you. It's I just got them on eBay. It's not expensive, and the look is very good because the Marauder have a black house lightning in the front, so it's blackout lights. But in the back, it's almost regular. I think they are a little bit more darker, but I'm not sure. Looks the same. Oh, it's a little bit darker. Okay. And now I want to try them. It's the Euro light, so it's a kind of European designs. It's kind of a BMW design with the LEDs inside. So they're looking very good. Oh my god, yeah, they look good. And I'm trying them out right now. So to start, you have to remove 3 of these. It's like when you change your bulbs or something like that. This is very easy. Just need this. I was sure this one was from a Crown-Vic. Actually, it's from my 3rd Marauder. So both are Marauder's lights. So they're kind of blackouts. Maybe not. I don't know. Put it in the comments. I don't know if it's blackout or not. But now, let's do it. Let's plug the other one. Now, there's a part with it, because you have 2 bulbs, you have to remove both of them. One is gonna be this one, and the other one's gonna be that thing. I don't know what it is. You have to plug both of them, I think. Okay, this is cool. This is so cool. Take a look. Close it. Now let's take a look. All right, this is both of them. Here we go. So guys, this is the new Euro light system. This is the brand new one. I just put it there. In 5 minutes, it's very quick. And this is the old one. So this is it. So it took about 20 minutes to install it. Fitting is good. It looks very, very good, looking sharp. Just be careful when you install it. The weather sealing is very, very cheap, so you can break it, or the glue is not very good. So just be sure when you install it, you have to pull it a little bit off to do it properly. So this is the part that it's not that good. I think it gives a little bit of modern touch to a car because this is LED. It's very, very cool. Thing is, the original one, the EOM, is better than what I thought. So I don't know if I like it better or if I like the EOM better. I don't know exactly which one I prefer. So tell me in the comments which one you like the most. I think it's cool. So I'll try it for the next month. Yeah, I think it's pretty badass. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Thank you, guys.